Today we are going to discuss here some of the basic definitions of the number system. What are the numbers in number system? What we can see and what the basic definitions of those we can see here one by one. Firstly, we can see here it is the natural number. As we know that natural number means the number what all the numbers. The number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that etc. Such types of numbers is called as the natural numbers. And the natural number is denoted by n. So we can write here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All these such types of numbers are called as the natural numbers. It means that the number which comes naturally, जो छोटा बच्चा अगर किसी को अगर हम नंबर पढ़ने के लिए बोलेंगे तो सबसे पहले वो स्टार्ट करेगा 1 2 3 से 1 से लेकर स्टार्ट करेगा. So naturally by the human beings will recite the numbers. So for that such type of number it is called as the natural number, that is 1 2 3 and many more like infinite numbers are said to be the natural numbers. Here the smallest natural number is 1 and the biggest natural number is infinite. We cannot identify here that. And second one we can see here it is the whole number. It is whole number. So what are the whole numbers? We can see here that the whole numbers it is indicated with the help of the symbol that is the W. The whole number is the symbol of the whole number is W, and the whole number it means that whole means the all. Whole means all, and the number the words itself indicates that the whole means all numbers, and except this natural number including 0. Natural number including 0 it is all said to be the whole numbers. For example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. For all these such types of numbers it is called as the whole numbers. So here we can see that all natural numbers including 0, and here the smallest number of the whole number is the 0 and the biggest whole number we don't know exactly. So here next we can see here it is the odd number. Odd number it means that the number which is completely divisible by 2. The number which is completely divisible by 2, or we can say the ones place of number. Ones place of number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If suppose in one place there is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there, so such types of numbers it is called as the odd numbers. For example, we can see here it is that 3, 17, 19, 35, 369. All those numbers we can check here that ones place is 3, ones place is 7, one place is 9, one place is 5, one place is 9. So all these types of numbers it is called as the odd numbers. And one more types of numbers we can see here it is that the even number. Even number. What are even numbers? When the number is completely divisible by 2, or we can say if the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the number is completely divisible by 2, that is called the even numbers. Or if the ones place are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, such types of number it is called as the even numbers. For example, we can see here that 8, 16, then 300, then 4, 7, 9, 2. So all these numbers, we can see here, check that ones place it is 8, 6, 0 and 2. All these places are 0, 6, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If suppose the ones place is there, so such types of number it is called as the even numbers. And one more thing, next point we can discuss here the prime numbers. Next point we can discuss here that is the prime numbers. Prime numbers it means that the numbers which has the only two factors. The numbers which has the only two factors, such types of number it is called as the prime numbers. For example, we can see here that numbers only which the numbers which has only the two factors. Two factors, it means that the number which is only divisible by the two numbers only. The number which is divisible by only two number. For example, that number is divisible by 1 and that number is divisible by number itself. Such types of number it is called as the prime numbers. We can see here an example, that is the 2, then 3, then 5, 7, 11. All these numbers are said to be the prime numbers. All these numbers are said to be prime numbers. For example, next we can see here there are 25 prime numbers. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. And here 15 prime numbers. There are 15 prime numbers between 1 to 50. And there are 10 prime numbers between 51 to 100. Okay. So the next number we can see here, it is that the composite numbers. ये प्राइम नंबर्स क्या होते हैं, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ किससे डिवाइड होते हैं, 1 से, नहीं तो वो खुद के नंबर से जो डिवाइड होते हैं वैसे नंबर्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, प्राइम नंबर्स. एंड द composite numbers it means that the number which has more than two factors. The number which has more than two factors. For example, we can take here numbers which have more than two factors. वो बहुत सारे नंबर से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए, वैसे नंबर्स को हम composite numbers बोलते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पर हम ले लेंगे 4, then 9, 16, then 20, then 300. All these numbers have more than two factors. Such types of number it is called as the composite numbers. And we can take here that the smallest prime number is 2 and biggest prime number cannot be identified. It means that the biggest prime number is infinite. And here the smallest composite number it is 4. It means that अभी smallest prime number 2 है और smallest जो composite number है वो 4 है. तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि जो इसका 1 जो नंबर है, 1 is neither prime number nor composite. 1 is neither prime number nor composite numbers. And one more thing, ये prime numbers के बारे में मैं आपको बता दूं, only 2 is the even prime number. Means there is no other even prime number as if you leave this 2. Okay, and all except the 2, all the prime numbers are odd numbers. Except 2, all the prime numbers are odd numbers. If suppose the question अगर आपको इस तरह से पूछा जाता है कि smallest odd prime number कौन सा है? What is the smallest odd prime number? Then the smallest odd prime number is 3 and the smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest even prime number is also 2. Okay.